What's up everybody, my name is Los and today I'm going to talk to you guys about Instagram tips and tricks to make your Instagram easier and a smoother process when you're making stories and growing your audience.
Working on a Wednesday, then up again the next day. So-and-so is popping, man, I skip him like he leg day.
Always make sure that you subscribe, join the notifications, and if you want to know every single thing that we know on Instagram and how we've been able to scale multiple pages and make a lot of money with Instagram and help other people do the same, check out our Instagram course. It gives you everything A to Z that you need to know on everything from your beginner to really how to grow and scale an actual business, service business, or how to leverage that for e-com and different things like that using the platform. I'm a firm believer that Instagram is going to be one of the biggest things this year. I know it's been one of the biggest things, but a lot of things are happening with other platforms, and if you're able to leverage this now, it's going to be very fruitful for you in any kind of business that you have. So today we're talking to you guys about things that would make Instagram easier. I know that a lot of times you guys see people making videos on the stories and then they're like, okay, one, and then they do another and they're kind of choppy and they don't flow. It's because they're not using apps to make that stuff easier. The easiest app that we use is actually called Cut Story. If you're crazy and you're fancy, you can pay for the whole full feature. It won't say Cut Story at the bottom. It's like $2. You should probably do that if not, you're like really, really cheap. $2 and it comes off your phone. It's not a crazy thing, but you should use it because then you can just do fluid messages, right? Like I can just shoot this, uploads into Cut Story, and Cut Story cuts everything into little chunks so I can just have a congruent message immediately. That's how I set up all my messages using Cut Story for Instagram stories. The other thing is engagement groups. A lot of people have been like, yo, what do I do with engagement groups? One of the apps that we use to connect with other people that have engagement groups or just create more engagement with people, the more engagement you have, the more Instagram's like, okay, this is really working, and they kind of boost you in their algorithm, right? Is Telegram. Now you can go into Telegram. There's a lot of different groups inside of that. A lot of them are Instagram groups. Start conversations with different people at different tiers with different groups and just check out what works for you and what's inside of that that could help you so you can join some of those groups and get your engagement up. Okay, and finally, a lot of people use this app called Linktree. Okay, so what Linktree does is if you don't have swipe ups or if you want to have multiple things, you know, there's only one link inside of Instagram, which is the link on your profile. If you want to offer people more things or have them check you out in more places, you can use Linktree to have them basically like check out my podcast, my YouTube, my course, my content, etc., different things like that. Now, I will warn you, I don't think this is congruent if you're trying to sell stuff, because if you're trying to sell stuff and you take them to the Linktree and there's 4 different options, there's 4 different places for people to click. So that means there's 3 or 4 different opportunities for them to not click your sales thing. So I would not use it if I'm trying to sell stuff, but if I'm just giving content and having people go to my other platforms, I can set up my Linktree, or you can set up your Linktree and have them go into whatever it is that you want to direct them to. So that's 3 quick and easy tools that you can or can't use depending on what you want and what your goal is. As always, guys, let us know in the comments if you like Linktree, if you use Telegram, or if you're using Cut Story, and if you paid for the paid version, or if you're doing the free version, let me know. And if you want to know every single thing there is to know on Instagram, how to monetize this and make this your best year, 2019 is the best year to start, or at least try to scale if you're already started on Instagram, check out our course on the link below. This is the kind of stuff that you can leverage to actually build a business or build a side hustle and travel more, or quit your day job, or really build that extra side revenue. You can build a full-time revenue out of working on this stuff on the side. So take action now, guys. As always, I'm Los. I will continue to do all the best videos for you in the world that you want me to do, and I will see you guys on the next video.